All right, guys, you know what day it is. The car is here. The trailer's out here. The car's finally moving. Going over to D&D Performance. The motor's done. We're going to slap this thing together. Get the motor in it, get the fuel system in it, get the fuel tech in it. Clean up all the odds and ends that we haven't done yet. And I'm going to try to bang this thing out in a couple weeks and have it on the road. So this will be the first of a series of videos that I'll put together as we slap this thing together, but pretty stoked. My buddy Zach's coming over there with the LTD wagon, help me push this thing on the trailer, and then we're off to the races over to D&D Performance. Shoot. Woo! Locked and loaded. Here we go, boys. Car is over here and it is looking good. Time to get to work. Started ordering everything else we needed for the fuel system. Should all be here tomorrow. We're running twin Holley 1800s. One of these will be on a boost reference switch. We're switching everything over to black fittings, obviously. Earl's lines. Get rid of all that 90s steel braided stuff. FT 550 we talked about, that'll be going in. So yeah, everything's here laid out. We're gonna get after it, try to thrash on this thing, get it done here in a timely manner. So yeah, we'll be ditching all this steel braided stuff, all these blue and red fittings. Eventually do everything from the vacuum lines to the water lines, make everything black so everything matches. There's the motor all done. I've made a video of that, but got that done. Looks awesome with the black, came out sick. Polished the fuel rails. Just looks a lot meaner than it did with all the old chrome on it. We switched it over to a 12 magnet hyperactive trigger. Be just way more accurate than the 4 that was on there. All right, go time here. Alright guys, we got a lot done today. Motor in the car. We thrashed hard today. Had to run a couple errands, needed a couple things we didn't have. Had to run over to Scoop Shop, have him turn down some spacers for me, but at the end of the day, eventually want to redo all these lines with black too, especially the water line that's gonna be right in your face. Gonna look terrible with everything else black, but serious progress. That's just a short update, first video. Obviously going to be doing a lot at the shop over the next couple weeks. Going to do my best to get the camera over there. You know, it's weird when you get over there, you just want to get work done, and it's hard to try to set up the camera and still get content, you know, while you're getting the car together. But I'm going to do my best to make sure we chronicle the build. I'm super excited. I can't believe we got as much done today as we did. Motor's in. I got the downpipe on it. You know, hooked up all the lines, all the exhaust is hooked up, all that stuff basically just fell right into place. So that was, you know, pretty simple, but there's a lot of work ahead. The fuel system's going to be a big endeavor. Luckily I got Justin helping me with that over at D&D. And then the thing that's going to take all the time in the world is putting the fuel tech in the car. Justin has wired tons of race cars, pro mods to X275 stuff. He knows fuel tech inside and out, so super lucky to have him in my corner. I know the car is going to be wired awesome. You know, there's a lot going to be going on with sensors and stuff that's way over my head. You know, I learned a long time ago, do what you do best and pay for the rest, and I'm happy to pay Justin and D&D to help me wire the car, because super important thing. And the fuel tech is going to be badass when it's done. We got some really trick stuff going on that should make the car really streetable and make it just a monster at the track. So we're excited. Like I said, guys, I'm gonna do my best to keep chronicling the build. I do have a build breakdown coming, a sick car. A guy actually met at Cars and Coffee, so definitely stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a really cool car, kind of a sleeper, coyote blower car, really neat piece. So stay tuned for that. If you like this kind of content, guys, please subscribe to the channel. Like this video if you do. Thanks for watching. Peace!